got the cloves and we got the ginger. 15 secret using these two ingredients. And one of them, 1 cup of water. A nice piece of ginger, which you're gonna grate up. Happy Easter, Julie. Make sure Easter good enough. Oh yes, big up yourself, man. Welcome to the membership. That's what we do. So we're going to put some cloves. Here it is. Just a few. Rough about 4 or 5 cloves into the water. All right. 4 or 5 cloves is good to go. Yeah. Guys, this is boil. So we just strain it and then squeeze half a lemon inside of it. All right. We're good to go. So all you're gonna have to do is drink this. That is beautiful.